coriander seeds. Coriander is used all over the world in many cuisines, and it goes by several names, including cilantro, Spanish cilantro, and Chinese parsley. It is one of the few plants that is both an herb and a spice. Typically, the word coriander is used for the seed or ground seeds, and the word cilantro is used for the fresh herb. Coriander's botanical name is Coriandrum sativum, and it's a member of the Apiaceae or Umbelliferaceae family. It's native to the Mediterranean, Middle East, and Southwest Asian regions, but now cultivated in Europe, Morocco, and the United States as well. The use of coriander goes way back. Archaeologists have unearthed coriander seeds in early Bronze Age and Neolithic sites. A vessel in Tutankhamun's tomb contained coriander seeds, which points to cultivation by Egyptians, as the plant isn't indigenous to Egypt. The Old Testament mentions coriander, likening the house of Israel to the roundness of a coriander seed. The Romans used it to flavor bread, and early settlers brought the seeds to North America in the year 1670. Where to buy coriander seeds? Whole coriander seed can be purchased online or in some well-stocked grocery stores or supermarket. How to take coriander seeds? The best way to get the maximum flavor of coriander seeds is to dry fry them. Heat a frying pan, do not add oil, add the seeds and fry them over medium heat, stirring constantly. Seeds are ready when the warm aroma is released. Remove from pan and cool. Seeds can then be used whole or crushed. The traditional dose of coriander seed powder is from 1 to 5 grams 3 times per day. This translates to a 14 to 71 milligram per kilogram dose 3 times per day for a 150-pound individual. Coriander seeds weight loss recipe. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of coriander seed, 1 cup of water, or honey, which is optional. How to prepare? Place 1 tablespoon of coriander seed in a cup. Fill the cup with boiling water. Leave the mixture for 5 minutes. Using a strainer, pour the mixture into another cup. Stir in raw honey, if desired. Your coriander tea is ready. Make sure to drink it 2 to 3 times a day. Benefits: coriander stimulates digestive enzymes and juices, which are known to enhance your digestive system. They are a good source of fiber too. A good digestive system is a key to weight loss. Bad digestion can lead to weight gain, as we are not able to absorb and assimilate our nutrients properly. Moreover, it may not be able to eliminate waste from your body efficiently either. This may lead to slowing down of the metabolic rate, which makes it more difficult to burn calories properly. Coriander leaves infused water can replace all your high-calorie beverages too. Bunch in few leaves in a tumbler of water and keep sipping it into a low-cal beverage through the day. Coriander leaves possesses an important element known as quercetin, which helps fasten metabolism too. Coriander water serves as a great detox drink as well. Detoxing helps eliminate all excess toxins and helps you feel light and contribute to weight loss. Precaution: coriander has been rarely seen to harm the body. In some individuals, it has been to cause irritation of the skin and making the skin prone to sunburn. Pregnant women should avoid excessive consumption of coriander without consulting a trained medical professional. Before you add this plant to your diet, you should speak to your healthcare provider to be sure coriander is safe for you.